Introducing the Truckman GLS for people who want mobile ventilation without compromising on security or style. Perfect for caterers, vets and pet owners, the GLS features large tinted sliding side windows designed to maximise airflow while maintaining privacy. Manually lockable for added security, these windows create a well-ventilated, comfortable truck bed environment wherever your journey takes you. With integrated remote central locking, the GLS works seamlessly with your vehicle's existing key, keeping your cargo safe and secure at all times. Inside, a deluxe finish and automated LED interior light provide enhanced visibility, ideal for darker days, late evenings or early starts. A sliding bulkhead window further improves ventilation, allowing airflow between cab and truck bed. The hidden bed seal and overrail design create a seamless integration with your vehicle, delivering a factory fit appearance. Colour-coded to match OEM vehicle finishes, the GLS complements your pickup perfectly. 6 heavy-duty clamps ensure a secure, non-drill installation, strong, precise and built for durability. A tinted glazed and heated rear door reduces condensation while maintaining privacy. A stylish sports spoiler with integrated LED third brake lights enhances security for vehicles behind, especially where no factory third brake light is fitted. And with a 3-year warranty as standard, you can invest with confidence. All Truckman hardtops can be customised to suit your needs, from drawer and shelving systems to roof bars and carriers. Whether for leisure or commercial use, the Truckman GLS delivers the perfect balance of style, practicality and premium design.